I have a new unboxing. If perchance you have not yet seen the FabFitFun Fall unboxing, which has been out for a while, then I have it for you. I jumped in really late because they had a coupon code, so I got this whole box for $20. $25. $20 or $25. And they were sold out of some of the options, and then they had some mystery options, and also I have not allowed myself to watch any reviews yet. So I'm excited. So they have the book, which I feel like just becomes more and more like a proper magazine each time. It's got interviews, they've got products, a little author. That's cute. That's cute. I like that, so I'll read that. There is a meal kit coupon, which I will save because this one is an 80, but I want to say it's for, yeah, it says new customers only. I keep getting emails about returning because I had like a super good deal like last year, and I loved it, but it was expensive. But I think when I am back on student teaching, I will do it again probably, because that's exhausting. And I'm gonna be gone throughout the day and still trying to work at night. Whereas now I get to be home with my love bug throughout the day and then still work at night. Anyway, let's see. I got a coupon for friends, so I will see if I got codes and such. And then it's like beautifully wrapped up here. Let's see. So these are ones that I picked out because I love the design. They are ear crawlers, and I haven't seen any quite this style. I used to wear ear crawlers quite a lot when I was younger because they were at the Claire's and the Hot Topic. These ones have like a lean back, and they're kind of squared off, so I'm hoping that they'll work because I have not only my little baby gauges. So I think I'm only a 0. I'm like working on my way to get up to, I don't know if I want to be a 00. Kind of do, because I get cuter pictures, but I think that would be my cutoff. But I do also have 2 more above and then my upper, my cartilage done. So I think that that would be super cute. Super cute. So I picked these ones, and I'm really excited that they still have them available because they are like a classy version of what little emo scene baby me would have done. So deep, relaxed roller ball, restful and tranquil. I love rollers. I make rollers. I make a lot of rollers, actually. They are my jam. But I do like oils and like moisturizing ingredients and such, whereas this is like just straight perfume, right? Get it started. Whoo! Oh, I tasted it when I smelled it. Let's try that again. Okay, that's pretty. Don't snuffle it. Ooh, I might not. I don't think you can see because I got a very kind camera. It's making me a little red where I just touched it. Maybe I shouldn't just immediately put things on my body. I don't think it's very restful and tranquil. It's definitely got some citrus to it. Let's see. Chamomile, vetiver, and sandalwood. I'm definitely just getting the, is it the vetiver that is the citrusy? Yeah, something? Sorry. I had to look because it was going to bother me. It is. It's like a, it's very similar to lemongrass. All right. The Aveda Damage Resin Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Wash the hair every day. It's a cool leave-in treatment. I'm excited. I've got just the smidgiest little bit of my last color left on my ends. And my hairstylist is like, if you dye your hair, don't touch it, they're gonna melt off. It's gonna happen. Give it 2 or 3, like 1 or 2 more cuts. And I'm like, I can't skip it completely if I had bleaching to do, because I want to do like a black to bluey silverness. So I think that should help. I like to dye my hair, and I have not dyed it in a long time, but not because of health reasons, just because of depression, which I guess is kind of a health reason. Anyway, I got a Humankind Skincare with Conscience Body Souffle. Vegan and cruelty free. Oh yeah. Oh, it's super sealed up. Super sealed up. It has an easy open thing in it. Oh. That's quite nice, actually. Except it's reminding me of something. I want to say it's like the sensitive skin nair without like the skin burny chemicals. But that's what it is reminding me of. Naturally derived. I don't know what scent it's supposed to be. It does not seem to say. It just says fragrance. But it did, oh my, it absorbed like immediately. I might be slightly dehydrated. Let's see. The exfoliating sugar cube, which I'm super excited about. I've looked at adding these to my own actual like body care line making things. So I got the little jars and I've got some cute little molds. I'm pretty excited about that. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. You can use this twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. Only for your body, don't eat them. Interesting. Ooh. Oh, that's why you say don't eat them. They smelled delicious. Drooling a little. Wanna lick it. Alrighty, Ruta. A hair towel, which I'm pretty excited about. I never know why. I don't know why. I love the idea of them. I own one that I got as a gift even. And when my hair was super long, I had to stop using it because I had too much hair for it. But I let the madness wash over me and I cut all my hair off. So, yeah. These are really neat if you haven't seen a hair towel yet. They have a bunch of different styles. But they go on your head like so. Like so. And then you tuck it in and see there's plenty of room in this guy here. And you kind of like slip it, and then there's a button on the front. And there's a loopy guy. You take this little loopy guy and you pop him on the button. And then you so fancy. I mean, it is super handy if you need to like put your face on and then do your hair. I don't do much with my hair. I always have like big ideas, but I don't. But I do have hair that does not dry worth a darn. Which maybe is because I've damaged it to this point, but also because it's super thick. I do have gloriously thick hair, even though like half of it's shaved off. There's still a lot. It looks grungy at the moment because my dry shampoo, literally, the top exploded today. I was already having a day, and my Amica was like, bet I can top it. It scared the bejesus out of me. So this is the mystery choice. But I got because the first choice ones were sold out. Open it up. Let's see what is inside. Runaway Ready Luxury Foot Treatment. Dermitat. Interesting. An intensely rich, luxurious formulation that promotes a retextured, smoother, and silky feel for a ride, rough, and chapped skin of the food. Interesting. I have someone that would freaking love this, actually. I'm going to save it for the holidays. See if I can kind of peek at it. I like having, I don't want my feet to be like grody. That's a huge container though, like that's large. I don't know why that is for scale. Oh, look, I have an actual ruler. Woo! Look at that ruler. I don't know. Not that I like grody feet, but I'm barefoot most of the time, and I like having strong feet. I don't know. pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll called Clean Biotic by Dr. Brandt. Intriguing. Super duper intriguing. It's got lots of words that I don't all the way understand, but it's a face wash. Apply on dry or damp skin and gently massage to rid of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. Then rinse clean. Use AM or PM. Face wash. Neat. Neat, neat, neat. I'm always in need of good face washes. And again, a really good size bottle. And it's kind of cute. Like I like simple. I like the simple bottles and kind of simple colors. This one I requested, and I don't know why, because I don't have friends over or a social life. I spend 90% of my time with a 2-year-old. But I have low-key always wanted a cheese plate. I don't know why. Probably just gonna eat fancy cheese. Sorry. Just realized that some of the kinetic sand got out of the little sandbox. The table, my freshly vacuumed floors. Okay. So it is a ceramic glossy side. A cheese plate. And it's a really pretty one. Yeah. It's a little bit smaller than I anticipated, but I can see myself eating fancy cheeses and crackers, probably at a ridiculous hour of the night by myself. I like the cheese. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. I don't know. Y'all use cheese plates? Is that a thing? In my uncultured swine? Do people have friends? I don't know. Is that a thing that fancy people do? People with friends do? I don't know. I don't know that either. Oh. Anyway. And that's it. The rest of the space is taken up by this knot box and some fluff, which I admit was a bit disappointing. Like, that made it seem like there was a whole lot more in there than there actually is. Huh. I can see why there have been some opinions about being less pleased with this month's box. So, yeah. So this month's value is $211 to $346 depending. So mystery item is just says 42 and up. So I don't know how much they were supposed to be. I can look it up. I'll try to look it up. I'll put it here or here. I'll put it here if I recall. The cheese plate, $30. Ooh, I was gonna say acacia wood, and I was like, no, you're just saying that because you like the word. But no, it is an acacia wood. cheese plate, which was worth $30. And the ear crawlers are worth $34. 34. Okay, we'll do that next after your blue is cleaned up. And then the hair towel wrap was $18. It's a little high. I've only seen them pricier when they come from like Norway, but I also see them at the Dollar Tree. So there's a pretty wide range. The oil roller ball is $29. The scrubbies, $16. Not bad. The hair repair, $18. Aveda. Is Aveda a fancy brand? Is it fancy? I know there's Aveda salons. I don't go to them. I don't know. It's $30. Sorry. The Aveda one is $30. $30? Y'all using $30 extra conditioner. Okay. The body souffle is $18. So yeah, I think for 20 bucks, I'm pretty happy. For $20, $25, I am definitely really happy. If I had paid like a full price, like the $50, I might be less pleased. But I'm good. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm excited to eat cheese by myself at some point in coming nights. Maybe taking a really nice bath with myself. This is kind of what I'm looking at. Is it looks like they sent me a kit to take a nice bath. I'm all right with that. So I think that's all I have for y'all. Okay. I love you so much.